Well, ladies and gentlemen, say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. It's Saturday let's have a look. It's 27th of April, nearly 4 o'clock. Just a quick catch up on what's growing in the greenhouse. Today we have beautiful, there's probably a foot, just over a foot tall, these are my super tall sunflowers. These have been thinned out to 1 per pot, which is great. These are the ones on the window, so look at the difference. These are the ones without any heat, and just look at the difference there. So these are the ones with heat underneath, they're the ones without. Next to those we have my Cosmos, 24 of these little beauties. That is plenty for my little cottage garden. These will grow 2-3 foot high, loads of flowers. Then we have back there my Super Saver seed tray. We have 8 different varieties in there, well 7 now. We have Evening Primrose, Alyssum, Pansies, Marigolds, Delphiniums, Lobelia and 10-week stalks. That's all those. Then here we have, these are all my Farmer Gracie. These are my Dahlia and Begonia tubers that we're going to get potted on today or tomorrow. Then up here we have my lupins, Chelsea mix. There's 5 in there that are coming along nicely, so they're all looking great. Just getting the first 2 flowers there, see there. Up here we have my bare root strawberries that are just coming to bloom now, which is great. So we're going to have some lovely fresh strawberries there. Then if we come round here we have my tomatoes. What was there? We have Alicante, Burlesque, and a cherry one at the end there. And then some dahlias here that are not doing very well at all. Just trying to get some growth through. So, and then we have here some geraniums from Aldi. These were some from Fabric's Nursery, I think. And then we have some trailing fuchsias. And then 2 carnations at the back there. So as we come round here, now we have my amazing, from Thompson & Morgan, plug petunias. And these have actually started to go into flower now, which is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? One there. So yeah, all these need thinning out. Probably take some cuttings from these as well, because if several weeks before they're going to go outside and be hardened off. So yeah, Thompson & Morgan, them absolutely outstanding. Then we have these are some dahlias from Amazon. As you can see, these are looking absolutely outstanding. So we take some cuttings from those. And then another tray of lupins. There's 5 in that one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Then at the back there we have some sweet peas. And then look at them, some violas and some seed sown petunias there. They're just going to come through. So yeah, that's everything going in my greenhouse. I hope you've enjoyed having a quick look round. If you've got any questions about anything going in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.